Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adam, and if you love luxury fashion, then you're definitely going to love my channel. So make sure you like and subscribe, check out my Instagram for all of the latest updates, and today, let's get right into it. In today's video, I do have a lot of mini fashion handbags, and if you remember, I did open Series 1 on camera. Inside this bag, I have so many of them from Series 2, so I'm so excited to open this. If you remember, Series 1, we did get a lot of cute ones, including this Balenciaga City bag right here that I hang on the shelf. So cute. I'm so excited. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and open Series 2. So now it is time to get into the Series 2 of the mini fashion handbags. I do have 17 of the mini fashion bags to open today, so let's go ahead and get right into it. So in each ball, you know that you do get 2 separate packs and the entire list of all the handbags you can collect. In the first pack, we do have all of the cute accessories, which comes with 1 sticker of the Balenciaga City bag. And in the second pouch, we do have the actual bag, which is so cute. This wants to be the Louis Vuitton trunk. And how cute is that? That is so precious. As you know, all of the bags do open, so you can actually clip them onto anything, cute little accessory charms, and you can even put little stuff inside. For the second ball, we do have this super cute Louis Vuitton inspired backpack. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this backpack is actually really cute, it even has the palm tree on it, and the smiley face. We do have the accessories as well, the cute little poodle, how adorable. But this bag, I'm not gonna lie, this one is so super cute. For the third bag, this one is actually really cute too. Okay, so first we do get the Louis Vuitton trunk sticker. We do have the cute blue Tiffany box, which has a cute little ring in it, which I'll show you in a moment. So, this bag is so cute. I love the shape of it, and it's just so adorable. It does have a functioning zipper as well, so that's also a plus. Ones like this are really, really good to keep like little things in, like medications, if you're like out and traveling. So cool, so cute. This one I really love. For the fourth bag, we do have the Balenciaga sticker once again. And then we do have the super cute hat that is pink. And then we do have this bag as well. And this one, I think it wants to be like a Chloe bag or maybe Marc Jacobs, if I'm not mistaken. If you know what bag this is supposed to be, definitely comment it down below. This one actually has a heart charm right here, which you can remove from the bag. And that is actually really cute because you can put that on whatever you would like. And you do have that as a cute little accessory. Okay, so this one I was most excited for. I was so happy for this one because this one is 100% the Bottega Jody bag. And how adorable is that? We even do have a cute little Rolex. How adorable. And this one, just so cute, so amazing. I am so happy that I do have this little one. This is the one that I did want the most out of all of the collections that they have. And how adorable is that? I am so happy about that. Again, of course it does open up, and to hang off of your real Jody bag, that would be so adorably cute. For the sixth fashion ball, we do have this bag right here, which totally wants to be the Belmont one, and it's actually a really cute bag. So the material of this is more of like a fabric material, and it actually is really soft and really cool. Oh my god, the seventh one is so cute. Now we all know this is totally the Balenciaga bag, and this one is honestly so cute. It even does have the little mirror pouch with it, and just how like cool that is, just so identical to like the original, and that is just so cool. So the color of this one, I absolutely love it. This one is totally going on display and so cute. For the eighth bag, we do have a duplicate of the one we did see before, but this time we do have a sticker of the blue bag. And the blue bag, I actually really hope that I do get it because it does kind of remind me of the Balenciaga Hourglass bag. Now, I do already have one that's kind of similar to it, but it is so cute and I would love to have this one. For the ninth selection, it seems like we do have another duplicate of the Belmont one. Okay, so for number 10, we have 3 of the purple bags now. However, for the sticker itself, there's a bag that does come like it, and it is supposed to be the Versace Hobo bag. Now, the Versace one, it is cute. I do have it in pink, but they actually do make the Versace one with a chain detailing, just like you see in the picture. So if you are interested in that, you can actually get it. Okay, now this one is really cool because this is a heel for a handbag, and I believe this wants to be a Louboutin bag. I believe they do have an actual heel for a handbag, and this is just so pretty and so cute. Okay, yeah, it 100% wants to be a Louboutin because it does have the classic iconic red heel. How cute is this bag? It does have the zipper on the front of it. How adorable is that to hang off of anything, really? So cute. Absolutely love this one. Next up, we do have another Balenciaga-like one, and this one is the purple one. Once again, so cute, and now we have a double. And the next one, we did get the blue handbag. How cool is that? Now this one, as you know, I really did want this one because it does remind me of the Balenciaga Hourglass bag. So cool. I really do love this one. It's even extra cool because it actually came with a like really large twilly for this. Maybe it's supposed to be a scarf for a doll, but to me it kind of looks like a twilly, but it is so like Hermes-like. And that is just so cool. And then we do have Chewbacca here for the dog. Okay, so we are down to the last four mini fashion handbag balls. And I am so excited to open the last four. So let's see the last one. So the next one, we do have another Louis Vuitton trunk style bag. So now we have two of them. So I now have a duplicate. And the next one, I do have another blue one, which I seem to be seeing a pattern where the blue one always comes with this like Hermes shawl type thing. So cool. And this actually is like an Hermes like Kelly, I want to say. Like the sticker right here. So cute. I wonder if this is one of the bags that we can get. If so, that would be so iconic, and I would love this bag. So now we have two more bags, and the second to last will be this bucket bag. Now this one does remind me of the Louis Vuitton ones. I don't know if it's because of the colors or what, but this is so cute. And to be honest, I really do like the colors of this. Okay, so for the very last handbag, it seems like we have a Rimowa suitcase. So this one was so big, the suitcase, that I wasn't even in one of those paper packets. This one was just in it by itself, so that's so crazy. And this one is like very plasticky. I wonder if this does open. I will try to open it in just a moment. The wheels of this really does work because all of these bags really do function. Like even this part comes up for the lever, so that is really cute. It also has a bouquet of flowers, which is precious, a Jody sticker, and then it has this one, which has to be a Dolce & Gabbana type bag. So cute. And of course, you know, the suitcase, you can't go wrong with it. Okay, so that is it for all of the handbags to open. Now, as you see for this collection, it is really cute. You do have a lot of choices, a lot of like Balenciaga ones I'm seeing and Louis Vuitton ones I'm seeing inspired by this series. So cool, so cute. These ones, you know, I really do love them. I love collecting this. This was such a fun video to make, and thank you for everybody who has watched this and enjoyed it. And if you yourself collect any of these, definitely let me know in the comments down below. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I am so happy that I did get the one that I really wanted, the Bottega one. So cute. It looks like the Jody. I'm so excited to hang it up right there, probably like right above this green Versace one, the mixed Hobo bag. So cute. I'm so excited for it. I love these so much, and they're just so fun and easy to collect, and you know, just what a fun time. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Au revoir.